how to fix Spotify not playing music. The first thing you want to do is to close the app completely, and then you want to restart again. If this doesn't solve the problem, you could try to go to the App Store, and then you want to search for Spotify. If you are on Android, you go to the Play Store and do the same process, Spotify. And as you can see beside the Spotify app here, it says open, but if it says update, you need to update the app. And that should solve the issue. If that isn't the case, you can try to reinstall the app. Do so by long hold the app, and then you want to tap remove app, and then you want to search for it on the App Store or Play Store and install it again. These 3 steps should resolve your issue on how to fix Spotify not playing music. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.